Hello, I'm Grace. Today, I'll present the introduction module for SAP S/4HANA using the Global Byte case. This module is designed for beginners and use the Global Byte group as the business module. The objectives include understanding the company, its structure, products, partners, and its business process. And now we go into the Global Byte case. Global Byte is an international bicycle company with location in the US and Germany. The company was formed in 2001 when US mountain bike champion John Davis and German engineering Peter Schwarz merged their companies. Global Byte was formed in 2001 after American mountain bike champion John Davis, founder of Frankenstein bikes in 1990, met German engineer Peter Schwarz, who had started Heidelberg Composites in 1993 after designing ultra-light composite frames as a student. Their shared passion for high-performance bicycles led them to merge their companies, combining their big competitive cycling experience with Schwarz engineering expertise to create a global leader in innovative bike design. Global Byte consists of two companies, which are Global Bikes US and Global Bike Germany GmbH, and 5 main locations in Dallas, Miami, San Diego, Heidelberg, and Hamburg. And Global Bike offers a wide range of products. The first one is trading goods. For the accessories, they have safety gear and other cycling accessories. Safety gears has helmets, reflectors, lights, and protective gear. These are the items that Global Bike purchases directly from external suppliers and resells without additional manufacturing. And other cycling accessories like water bottles, repair kits, and locks. And the second product will be the raw material. The raw materials are essential for producing their semi-finished and finished bicycles. These are the materials used internally for production. For example, it includes aluminum tubes, carbon fiber sheets, saddles, brakes, wheels, and the electronic components. And the third one is semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods are items that have underground partial processing and will be used in the final assemblies. These components allow Global Bike to maintain control over quality while optimizing the production. And the barrel assemblies and gear system. And the example is like the bicycle frames. And the number 4 one is finished goods. These are fully assembled, ready to sell products, and they form the core of Global Bike's brand identity. There are 3 types of items, which are the touring bikes in multiple colors, off-road bikes for men and women, and GPS bike computers. And next one is business partners. Business partners are essential to Global Bike's operations because the company relies on a worldwide network of suppliers and customers. SAP classifies business partners such as customers and vendors in a structured way. The Global Bike sells the products to a large, and vendors supply Global Bike with everything needed to produce and sell its product. Global Bike works with vendors in both the US and Germany to ensure faster delivery times, lower transportation costs, reliable stock availability, and consistent product quality. And next one will be the business processes. The Global Bike used a full ERP scope supported by SAP. The key business process include the sell, buy, make, store, track, people, service, project, and environment. These processes are integrated to ensure smooth cross-functional operation. And then the next part is about the integration. Process integration in SAP refers to the way different business modules work together seamlessly to support end-to-end business processes. SAP S/4HANA is not only just a collection of separate functions. It is an integrated system, which means data flows from one department to another instantly. All processes use the same real-time database, no manual data re-entry, and no inconsistency between modules. This integration is what makes SAP extremely powerful for companies like Global Bike. For example, like the order to cash. It involves sales and distribution, SD, materials management, and financial accounting. This process shows how multiple modules connect automatically. Customer place a sales order with creator, contact, and do quotation. And then Global Bike need to check the stock system. Then goods are picked up and shipped, and warehouse issue the materials, and the delivery document is created. And then the invoice is created based on delivery. After that, the revenue is being recorded, and the customer accounts receivable is updated automatically. The next second example will be procure to pay. It involves material management and financial accounting. This process explains how procure integrates with finance. The material management teams create or updates vendor master material custom data and material master data. They also check stock and demand via the display stock or requirements list to confirm what actually needs to purchase. And then the buyer select a vendor and converts the requisition to a purchase order. And when the materials arrive, warehouse posts a goods receipt and the invoice in the inventory increase instantly. Then vendor send invoice, the system will match to the purchase order, good receipt, and invoice. Then SAP create a payment run, account payable will be decreased. And now we talk about the SAP presentation part. Step 1 is about create the variant finished goods. First step, you need to go to search section and key in manage product master data. And then you go to the product view and key in the STR1. The last 3 digit, you just use the digital that is your own. And mine is 592 and I just use 592. And you just, after you click key in, you just click go. And then this item, this product will pop up, and then you just click it, and then you click copy. And then this will pop up, and then we just go to the plan, click the plan, and then we just select only the DL00 and go back, and then we just untick the distribution chain. After we untick, we just select OK, and then we just 592 your 3 digit in product number field and change the description from black to white, and then we click OK. After that, the product detail will show up. We just go to description section, and here got 4 items: DE, FR, RU, and English. We change the sorts to weight, beta, and delete FR and RU. English one just maintain maintain it. After that, the result will be like this, like the second picture. After you done it, then we done the step 1. This step create the finished goods master data for the white version of the touring bike. Without this master data, the system cannot run BOM, rounding, or the cost estimation. And then now we go to the step 2. Step 2 is create variant raw material. You need to go to search the manage product master data. And then you go to product field, key in TRFR1592, the 3-digit, and then you just click go. Then the product will show out again. It's in black, and then you just tick it, and then you click copy. This will pop up, and you just click inside and select DL00 only, and then you click OK. Then in create master data record, we key in TRFR for your 3-digit, and then go to the description. We change black to white, and then we just click OK. After that, we will go to the product details again. We just go to description again and change words to maybe delete FR, RU, and maintain the English part. And then you done the step 2. This step create the raw material, the white frame, which will be included in the BOM of our finished product. And now we go to the step 3. Step 3 is to extend the raw material for calculation. To extend, you need to go to the change section and key in change material. And then in this page, you need to key in the STR4592 in material field and click continue. And then the select view will pop out. You just scroll down and select costing 1 and click OK. And then go to the organization level step will be pop out and key in the L00 in plant field. And then you click tick again. Then the change material, the STR4592 will show out. You just go to with quantity structure and material origin. These two parts, you just tick it. After you tick it, and then you save it. The notification of material, the STR4592 change will be shown. Then we done step 3. In this step, I extend the material so it can be used in costing. Activating the cost view ensure SAP includes the raw material in the cost estimate. And then we go to the step 4. Step 4 is create bill of material. In this step, we need to search maintain bill of material. On the screen, maintain bill of material, we enter the STR1592 in material field, and plant field we key in the L00, and then we press go. Then the material will show up. We just go and click it and select copy BOM, and then copy BOM will show up. And then in a copy BOM pop up, we enter the STR4592 in the material field and the L00 in the plant field, and in BOM usage we select sys costing. Then we click OK. After that, this will be shown up. We will go to the new screen of maintain bill of material. We need to change the component in item number 0020 to our previously create frame TRFR4592 and press enter. And then all the component will end with 592. And then we click create. A notification of material BOM save will show up. Then we finish the step 4. The BOM specifies all the component needs to produce the bike. SAP will use the BOM to calculate the total material cost. And then we go to the step 5. Step 5 is create the rounding. To create the rounding, we need to click the create first. So we just go to search manage roundings, and then we go to click create first, and then we enter the product, the STR4592, and plant the L00, and make sure the group field is empty. And then we just click copy from. We click copy from outside from the material. Then select type will show out. We just make sure rounding is being selected and click tick. And then for the create using copy function, we need to make sure that this two is correct, and then we enter it. And then this one will be shown up. We put 1 in usage field and 4 in overall status and enter to save our change. So the system will show you in the operation overview all the operation necessary to assembly your bike. Then we click 0010 and an allocation, and then we'll show like this. And then we just save it. Now we finish the step 5. Rounding defines the production process. SAP use rounding to calculate labor, machine, and overhead costs for the bikes. And now we go to the step 6. To do this step, we need to go to create material cost estimate section. The material and plant will already filled for us, auto-filled for us. And then we scroll down a bit, we will find the costing data tab. In costing data tab, we select TPC1 in costing variant field, press 1 under costing version and costing lot size, and then we press enter. Then it will automatically bring us to that tab. And then we just click today's tab, and then we click enter again. It will bring us to here. The system will calculate the cost based on the bill of materials and the rounding. Then we need to go to the menu page, and then we go to cost and click display cost components. Then after we click it, we go down there and choose the choose layout button. We need to select the one SAP02 cost component groups. After we select it, it will show like this. After the table show like this, we just save it, and then the cost estimate is being saved will show up. Then in this step, SAP calculate the standard cost based on the BOM and rounding. This gives us a detailed cost breakdown for the product. And then we go to step 7. Step 7 is mark price update. To mark price, we need to go to the release mass material cost estimates. We enter the current period, company code US00, plant the L00, and material the STR4592, and then we scroll down a bit and untick the test run. After that, we just select execute. After we select execute, the result will show 0 material in like the picture. Then we finish the step 7. Marking updates the future standard cost in the material master. It prepares the cost estimate for release. And then we go to the step 8. To view the price, we need to go to manage product master data, and then we enter the STR4592 and click go. Then we just scroll down and find valuation areas for the L00. After we found it, we just click it, and then we go to find the current period. Then the result will show me like this. You can see the currently valid standard price. And in here, I can check the planned standard price in the material master to confirm that the clicking was successful. And then we go to the step 9. In step 9, we can see the release price out there. So we need to go to release material cost estimate section first, and then we key in the current month, company code US00, plant as DL00, materials as the STR4592, and untick test run, and then we click execute again. Then the result will show like this again, zero material. And right now we finish the step 9. Releasing the price activates the new standard cost. It makes it the official cost used for valuation in the current period. And now we go to the last step. Last step is step 10, that we can build price. So as same, we want to build the price it. So we need to go to manage product master data again, enter the STR4592 and click go. And then this product, we just click it, and then we just go to valuation areas, find the DL00, and then we click it. After that, it will show the other prices tab. It will bring you to the mark standard cost estimate section, and then we just see there's no more cost estimation present. After that, we go to the second tab, which is valuation, and then here is the currently valid standard price. Then we finish the 10 steps. This final step confirms that the new standard price is active and being used by the system. Part 1 helped me understand how business intelligence, BI, the Power BI, transform raw data into meaningful insight. Through analyzing the assurance of learning LL process, I realized how important it is to have efficient workflows and automate data handling, especially when multiple stakeholders and large datasets are involved. Creating the process improvement workflow also helped me understand bottleneck in the current LL reporting cycle. I learned how process math can reveal inefficiencies and how automation can significantly reduce manual workload. And the part, which the last part in part 1, is Power BI. Creating the LL dashboard in Power BI was one of the highlights of part 1. I learned that how to build a visualization like the chart, the table, and hierarchy views, and how to apply filter and slicers, and how Power BI dashboard support real-time decision making. Most importantly, the experience showed me how data visualization helped the stakeholders quickly understand the performance range, such as units not meeting learning outcome or a difference between undergraded and post-grade performance. Overall, and in part 2, I also learned something that for the first one is understanding end-to-end integration. Part 2 provide hands-on experience with SAP S4HANA's integrate costing cycle. I learned how finished goods, raw materials, BOMs, routings, and costing views work together. This deepened my understanding of how ERP systems ensure consistency across departments such as production planning, accounting, and controlling.